All right, here we're going to look at Chapter 2, Section 4, Question 15, which has a sample data set. And so we're going to do a similar thing. I'm going to get back to all my windows here, and I'm going to come to this problem if I don't get it. And I'm going to take the data and I'm going to open it in Excel. And I'm going to save it. And then I am going to open up this data set. And here we have our data set. Again, I'm going to expand the view so we can see it. And again, we want to find the range, the mean, the variance, and the standard deviation. And so these are the things that we want to find within this data set. And I'm just going to verify range, mean, variance, and standard deviation of a sample now. So we'll come back in, and our range is going to be the max of this column of data minus the min of this column of data. And so we have a range of 11. Our mean is going to be the average. Remember, we start all our functions with equal. Equals the average of this column of data. And our variance, now that we have a sample, I'll go equal var.s for sample. I'll choose that column of data. And there's my variance. And my standard deviation. Again, stdev.s, and I'll choose my column of data. And so here we have the range, mean, variance, and standard deviation from this sample data. And we use the functions for variance and standard deviation that took into account that it was a sample. And so what we're learning is how to calculate these things, but also what they mean. And, we could also look for medians and modes, but for right now, we have a good process on our data here, and Excel becomes our big calculator that we use for our data.